In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Alice Blue to TradingView so you can place trades directly from TradingView's powerful charts. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then hover to the products section on the top corner, and I want you to click the super charts. This will forward you to a new page, and I want you to click the trading panel, which can be found at the bottom left corner. Click on it, and then you want to click the search button to find the broker, and that's gonna be Alice Blue right here. Now all I have to do is very simple. Click the connect button, because doing that you can now place buy and sell orders right from the chart screen using TradingView's panel. So there's no need for you to toggle between multiple platforms. It helps to streamline your workflow and speeds up the execution because, as we know, TradingView is known for its powerful, highly customizable charts with multiple timeframes. Now, when you connect Alice Blue, you get all these technical analytics and you can act on them instantly. Okay, TradingView displays live market for data instruments you trade through Alice Blue, helping you track price moves and the trends accurately before executing orders. You want to make sure your accounts for both Alice Blue and TradingView is fully verified before you can connect these two platforms. And basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.